Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to save a watch list. And if you want to do this, the first thing that we are going to do is we search right here for a stock. So let's do right here the, what is this called? This is the Striker Corp. It's just an example, guys. And we want to add this to our watch list. So what we're going to do right here is you search here for this icon. And you can see that is saying add to personal watch list already. So we click here on this one. And now we can select right here which one we want to add it in. So I select here my favorites. And then right now, if you go here to watch list and select right here my favorites, so it's already standing on that. Let's see, personal, my favorites. And then you find right here your watch list with the stocks that you added to your watch list. So I also added right to Coca-Cola. So now if I click here on Coca-Cola, we have Coca-Cola standing right here. So this is how you can save a watch list in TC2000. If you have more questions about something about the watch list, please comment it down below so I can help you out. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.